Hey everyone, welcome back. If Discord is stuck on checking for updates, acknowledging, and won't open on your PC, don't worry. This is a common startup issue and you can fix it in a few minutes. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Fully close Discord. First, make sure Discord is completely shut down. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus. Escape to open Task Manager, find Discord, and click End Task. Sometimes the app is running in the background and blocking the update. Step 2. Run Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord icon and choose Run as administrator. Permission issues often stop the updater from downloading files. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Switch networks if possible, or restart your router. A weak or restricted connection can prevent Discord from reaching its update servers. Step 4. Clear Discord cache files. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, and press Enter. Delete the Discord folder. Then go back, open local app data, and delete the Discord folder there too. Corrupted update files are one of the biggest causes of this problem. Step 5. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Security software sometimes blocks Discord updates. Turn it off briefly and try launching Discord again. Step 6. Reinstall Discord properly. If nothing works, uninstall Discord from Control Panel, restart your PC, then download the latest version from the official Discord website and install it fresh. Step 7. Check system date and time. Incorrect date or time settings can break secure connections needed for updates. Most of the time, this issue happens because of corrupted cache files or blocked permissions. After these steps, Discord should open normally. And that's it. See you in the next guide.